tree, relaxing and be free. Wind came so suddenly, apples falling next to me, shocked at what had happened, asking what that means. Think of science and mystery, and what we would end up to be eternally.
Some look for meaning of life, so practice religion. But has science disproven the existence of God?
Some of the greatest scientists, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, George Lemaitre, believe in God. Lemaitre was a physicist on par with Einstein, was the father of the Big Bang theory and also a Catholic priest. On the other hand, Stephen Hawking was a famous atheist scientist. So science and belief in God would be independently non-conflicting. After all, an engineer can also be a singer, and a singer can also be an engineer.
What does scientific development reveal?
From Newton's deterministic law to Einstein's relativity, then to quantum mechanics, the theory of antimatter, and so on, science has already become counterintuitive. It turns out that in theory, time can be stopped. The double-slit experiment even shows that what we can see with our own eyes is not the reality. Later, Kerr's theory brought us the butterfly effect. How could a tiny, insignificant action in a faraway place in a distant past may result in a catastrophic event thousands of miles away today? Could this be the effect of the original sin?
So, has science explained everything?
No, not only are there still many things science can explain. Science can never give the highest level of understanding. Just as Newton used gravity to explain why an apple falls on a tree, he could not explain why gravity itself exists. Science seeks causes, believing that effects arise from causes. Thus, the universe cannot exist randomly without a cause. If we believe in science, we must also believe there must be a first cause that has brought the universe into being. We may call this first cause God. This might also explain why science, art, love, conscience, and all human pursuits seem to move towards an origin of truth, goodness, and beauty, which we may call God.
Recognizing the existence of God doesn't necessarily mean accepting a religion.
True, but having no religion is just a kind of religion. Choosing and committing to a religious faith is like entering into a marriage or not. One grows and changes within it, hoping to become one's true self. Science reveals the laws of cause and effect. Philosophy seeks purpose and meaning. Religion points towards love and eternal happiness. Together, they tell a greater story. As Einstein said, science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind. We could even replace the word science there with art, philosophy, or ultimately with life itself. Whether you are eating the apple that has fallen or pondering why it fell, keep asking questions. Keep seeking. This is what makes us human, not merely beings who survive. Winds came so suddenly, apples falling next to me, shocked at what had happened, asking what that means. Think of science and mystery, and what we would end up to be eternally.